Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I get my sharp edges on my cake and how to cover it in sugar paste. So first you're going to need a spray bottle, spray your cake to dampen it and then spread it all out to make sure it's all damp after just using a pastry brush. Then you can just wipe off the excess water off the board so your sugar paste doesn't stick. I've just got a piece of kitchen towel. The sugar paste that I use is white Renshaw's. You'll want to make sure it doesn't stick, so stick some icing sugar down or cornstarch, whichever your favourite is for rolling out. And then I'm just quickly going to roll it out. Keep trying to keep it in a circle, keep turning it so it doesn't stick. All the links to everything I use is down in the description box below. So then you just want to flip it over your rolling pin. I do it this way just because I can lift it up without tearing it, and then I can transfer it over to my cake. I'm just layering it on there, and then you just rub around the top to get all those air bubbles out. Sometimes I push the rolling pin across the top of the cake to get the air bubbles out, and then start smoothing the sides to get all those pleats out. You just rub around the top to secure that top edge. Sometimes if you don't secure that top edge, you might find the sugar paste will rip on you. You just have to work a bit quicker than usual getting all those pleats out. Just keep smoothing with your hands, moving down. Here we've got an acupuncture needle. These are brilliant for popping bubbles in your cakes, little air bubbles, because they don't leave such a big hole like a pin would. They're a lot thinner than a pin. Push the bubbles with your finger and then just pop it with the pin and push that air out. It only leaves a very small hole that you can just buff away with your smoothers. Next, the smoother that I've got is actually called a smedger. It's just a smoother and an edger all in one tool. I'll leave the link in the description if you want one of those. I'm just using a scalpel and cutting away the excess at the bottom of the cake. You'll see I've left some extra on the bottom. This is just so I can go back with my smedger, squash that sugar paste down to create an even neater, flatter edge. I just run it around the bottom, creating a sharper edge, and then I go back with my scalpel to remove all that excess. You can repeat the process again until that bottom edge is really nice and neat. The scalpel I use is called a Swan Morton scalpel. It's a surgical scalpel. You can get lots of different handles and lots of different types of blades for it. I like using this one purely because you can buy a box of 100 blades for quite cheap. Then this is where we get our sharp edges. You want a pair of flexi smoothers. These are just really thin plastic smoothers that actually bend in your hands. You can buy them from Home Bargains, you can buy them online. Just using two smoothers, just buff away at the sides. This will get rid of any little tears, any little holes from your acupuncture needles. If there's any little dents that you put in, with your fingernails like I do, you can just buff them straight back out. The secret to the sharp edge is literally buffing the top and the side at the same time. Where it meets, it will create that sharp edge. You're just manipulating the sugar paste upwards to meet that top flat smoother. So just slowly move your way around, working around the top. Try not to press too hard on the top, and all you keep doing is just going round and round until you're happy with that sharp edge. And that's it, you're all done. I hope this tutorial helped a little. Please feel free to check out the other videos. See you later.